Hi folks, this is Jake. Another episode of Good Idea, Bad Execution. Although today might be considered a bad idea. I don't know if the camera does it justice or not, but these are my roads in northern Minnesota right now. Okay, yeah, I've had a couple of times already. I've had to completely stop in the middle of the road just to let the wind die down enough to where I can actually see the road. I'm doing about 20 miles an hour right now, if that, just kind of idling along. And I'm not even halfway to work yet. Well, somebody went before me. There's a set of tracks. We are actually in a blizzard warning until 6 p.m. tonight. I went outside about 9 o'clock to start the truck before I hit the shower. And I thought, oh, it's not that bad, jeez. Because, you know, I'm a Minnesotan. And we look at shit like this and go, that ain't nothing. And then I got out on the road. Yeah. North and south isn't too bad. East and west is worse. Yeah, like I got a, beautiful patch right here. We've bumped it up to 40. I already called my boss, told him I was going to be late if I make it in at all. But I have a bag with me. I have my winter gear with me. I was actually somewhat smart about it today. I got a little S-curve here I gotta watch out for. So as I was saying, I have a bag with an extra set of clothes and my thermals, a few toiletries, and I've got my winter bibs and my boots. My chopper's all sitting here next to me in the side saddle. It's that Minnesota game. Find the road. I've always told people there's a fine line between dedicated and stupid. And I think I may have crossed that today. Okay. Alright, I think I'm just going to take a minute and unclench. Big town of Bolio. Alright, well, we're rolling up on 5 minutes, and this is dangerous enough as is without trying to film it all. Yeah. So, we love you. Take care of each other. Stay warm, everybody. Oh, and by the way, stay indoors. Don't do what I'm doing. I had to change this to do as I say, not as I do. All right. We love you. Take care of each other. Stay warm, everybody. Bye.